Go. Go to like 3K. Higher. Alright, so this is gonna be a quick video on Magnalow exhaust system on a 2015 Kia Optima. Same thing applies for what? 13? Oh shit. 13 or 15?
14 and 15, I believe.
I think 13, no? I don't know. Damn, look at that fucking exhaust leak. Obviously, safely jack up your car. I am not responsible for anybody's death. That's on y'all. How the fuck y'all do it? He currently has a muffler delete, so it's gonna be a little different than anybody else. But usually, does the other exhaust have 2 connections? I think it does, no?
Yeah.
Usually it should have one of those and then one of these on this side, but this shit's welded, so. And then the mid pipe all the way over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this off, then we'll come back. Like I said, it's gonna be a pretty short video. This should not take us long. The OEM exhaust is a little harder to take off, I'll give you that, but this should be a few minutes maybe. This should okay. Obviously let the car cool down if you drove it, because if not you're gonna burn yourself. Just a disclaimer. Alright, so these are 19 millimeters. If you got balls, you can take it off just like that, but I suggest you put some WD-40 in it. Then it'd be easier to just unbolt it from here, because taking these things off, it's a pain in the ass. This should be a 10. And that should probably be a 12. But I'll confirm it right now as far as this one. This looks like a 12. So it should be 10s and 12s. And then this whole thing should come down, and then just got that part, which is probably a 14. But I'll let you guys know right now. Alright, so these are 19. Suggesting PB blast them, or if you have a compressor like I do, easiest way to get off. Put a new gasket. And all these bolts, ones from this, or the hangers on the side, they're all 12s, so let me get to back the piping and we'll go from there. Shit went out of focus. Alright. So these are all 15 millimeters, 19 over there at the flange. Tighten all these clamps down. It's 3. Put back the 12 millimeter bolt there. When it comes to this shit, there's a washer thing, spacer that goes in here for the bolt. Take it off when you slide, before you slide this in, because you'll see it in there. And then cut off all this stuff. So I'm gonna cut it all off and do a cold start and see what it sounds like. Hopefully there's no exhaust leaks, but there shouldn't be. There you go. Welcome back. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and do a cold start for you guys. Shit is quiet as fuck. It's quiet as shit. Compared to how it was before. Try to rev it. It's not like the car is that cold anyways. But anyways, this is my